Hello students, in this video I am explaining about the important topic of the statistics, that is central tendency. I am Dr. Vijay Kumar Kulkarni, Associate Professor. Before explaining the central tendency, let me explain what is an average. Average is a typical value around which other items of the distribution cluster. The single value which has a tendency to be somewhere at the center and within the range of the given values. It is also called the measure of central tendency. Averages are very much useful in describing the distribution in concise manner for comparative study of different distributions. When we see about the definitions of the averages, one of the definition is average is an attempt to find one single figure to describe whole of the figures. One more, which is one of the best definition of the averages, is an average value is a single value within the range of the data that is used to represent all of the values in the series. Since an average is somewhere within the range of the data, it is sometimes called a measure of central value. Let us look about the requisites of the good average. An ideal average should have the following qualities. ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಅವರೇಜ್ಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಬೇಕಂದರೆ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಆ್ಯಾವ್ರೇಜ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ರಿಜಿಡ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಡೇಟಾಗೆ ನಾವು ಆ್ಯಾವ್ರೇಜ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಔಟ್ ದ ಡೇಟಾ, ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಹಿಂಗಾಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂದರೆ ಅಡ್ಗೋಡೆ ಮೇಲೆ ದೀಪ ಇಟ್ಟಂಗೆ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಆ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡ್ರೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಬೆಳಕು, ಈ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬೆಳಕು, ಹಂಗೆ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್, ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಈಸಿ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್. ಆ ಆ್ಯಾವ್ರೇಜ್ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೂ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿರಬೇಕು, ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೂ ಈಸಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಭಾಳ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿರಬಾರ್ದು. ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಡೇಟಾ. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ಗಳ ಒಳಗೊಂಡಿರಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋದರೂ ಅದರ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬೇರೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಸೂಟೇಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಎವರೇಜ್ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಮುಂದೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ಗೆ, ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಅದು ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಕಾಮನ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಎವರೇಜಸ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್, ಮೀಡಿಯನ್, ಮೋಡ್, ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್, harmonic mean. Let us discuss one by one in detail. First, arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean for ungrouped data. Here ungrouped data means only variable values are given. Usually variable ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು x ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. X values are given and such data is called as ungrouped data. Usually the arithmetic mean is denoted by x bar. x barದು ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಗೆರಿ ಬಾರ್ ಹಾಕಿದರೆ that is x bar, that is representing arithmetic mean. The arithmetic mean for ungrouped data is defined as the sum of the observations divided by number of observations. Symbolically, x bar is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus xn divided by n, where x1, x2, x3, xn are observations and n is the number of observations. The formula is x bar is equal to summation I takes 1 to n xi divided by n. This is the formula for finding arithmetic mean for ungrouped data. Let us calculate some problems so that we come to know how arithmetic mean is calculated for ungrouped data. So here the values are given. We have to find the arithmetic mean for the given ungrouped data. Okay. So first of all, let us take the problem A. First problem, the solution. We are taking the solution. In the solution, we are writing the formula x bar is equal to summation xi by n. Now we are adding all the given values, that is 124 plus 132 plus 142 plus 126 plus 151 plus 10 plus 75 plus 90. Okay, let me take illi plus 150 plus 9 whole divided by number of observations. Count ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿವೆ? 10 observations ಇವೆ. So this equal to, the total comes to be 1009 divided by 10. So therefore x bar is equal to 100.9 is the value of x bar. So then this is the procedure for calculating arithmetic mean for the ungrouped data, the first problem. Now let me solve the second problem. So second problem, that is, we shall take this one as B, and adding all the given values, that is 24.5 plus 72.8 plus 54.6 plus 20.0 plus 18.9, okay, plus 32.6. So divided by the number of observations. Number of observations are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So this equal to 223.4 divided by 6. Therefore x bar is equal to 37.23. This is the x bar. Okay, now we shall go for the third one. For third one, let us write C. Here we shall write the C. So C, the values are 18 plus 19 plus 19 plus 16 plus 17 plus 16 plus 16 plus 15 plus 13 plus 11 plus 16 and divided by the total number of observations is 11. Now this is equal to, the total comes to be 176 divided by 11. Therefore x bar is equal to 16. Okay, so this is how we have discussed about the procedure of finding arithmetic mean for ungrouped data. So keep watching my videos till end. Thanks for watching, and in my next video I am discussing about how to find the arithmetic mean for grouped data. Thank you.